Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just come over to XRP. Once again, thank you for your support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew, so please definitely get involved in the Discord. I do keep repeating myself about that because it's easy for me to post in there, and obviously not just myself, lots of other technical analysts posting their content as well. We've got an amazing, thriving community. Equally, you get access to all the trade signals, the setups, the indicators that I've created for you as well. So lots of great content. Definitely get involved. There was a lovely little rising wedge pattern I noticed on Saturday. I did post it. We broke down. Look at that lovely little sweet spot, and we've actually come down there and bounced. Okay, it did fall through for it a little bit, got a little bit squeaky bum time, and right now it's bouncing. So definitely get involved in the Discord right there. As you can see, we're posting lots of great content. Okay, let's dive into the XRP video right now, see what we can see. So looking at XRP on the hourly time frame, I'm going to zoom out on the daily in a moment, show you what we're looking at, but I'm still in my long that I jumped into a few weeks ago when everyone was really depressed on XRP. Now we did come down off this rising wedge, a lovely little short up with your stop loss on the pivot high, came all the way down to the target, little intraday short opportunity right there. I did personally put some bids on this green trend line, okay, and it got a little bit squeaky bum time. I did think I was going to get stopped out off this pivot low right there, but we bounced like a boss, and currently that position is at roughly 3.81%, so it's doing really well. Okay, so on the macro, what are we looking at? So these are the trades that I do provide for the CoinsKid crew in the Discord right there, and you know, if I'm making videos I will zoom in and show you the trade setups as well, but you know, when I'm on holiday and things like that, really busy, I do tend to post the trade setups in the Discord, so please get involved in the Discord right there and look out for the opportunities. So just here for XRP, like I said to you, at this point we've got a falling wedge, okay, just here really tight, a lot of confidence at this particular level. There was a bullish divergence on the daily as well as the weekly at this pivot point, and like I said to you, closing outside of this resistance, I'm going to go long, put my stop loss on the pivot low to negate the trade, and at that point I'm looking for a full retracement into this point of contact around about 06059, but it won't do it in a straight line, it'll come up in waveforms, and this is exactly what it's doing right now. So there's a little bullish count in here. I'm going to show you this, possibly some kind of 1 2 3 zigzag 4, and right now it's giving it for a 5. So if we start to come up and take out this high and get to the red line, boom, you've got a little micro 5-wave impulsive move, which is what I was looking at, and this is part of an impulsive wave 1, corrected wave 2, and then boom, wave 3, we're out of there, and this is the bottom right now, and this is what I'm looking at as a potential scenario, because within this move here, like I said to you, I think that we've got a final fifth wave here of a leading diagonal, and it's mirroring what it's done before. For example, what we've got is 3 instances since 1920, since 2020, where we've got a final fifth wave of leading diagonals, basically, and this is what we've been looking at. So for those that are not familiar, you know, I did start making videos around about here for the CoinsKid crew, but I rode all these waves up, just like I've done with you in 2023. I rode all these waves up like an absolute boss with my family and friends, okay? So it's at this point here, from this point, we get the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, ABC, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, okay? So you can clearly see the end in fifth wave of these leading diagonals is always the largest move. For example, this is what I was projecting last year to be the largest move, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. I always expected the final fifth wave to be the largest move. A lot of people say I got lucky because of the SEC and things like that, but the 1618 just here was my target when you was all the way down here and everyone was super bearish. I said to you, I think you're going to go to the 1618 here. We're in a 1618 target, and it was my primary target all year. Look at that, double tapped it, see you later, 82 cents, big macro correction. So it's playing out like a boss. But what I think we've done here, I think this particular leading diagonal is being repeated just there. So if I'm correct, this was the bottom, and right now it's a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. And this next big wave is quite ferocious, because what we've got is a clue in the last wave of every single leading diagonal that we've printed since 2020. We've printed 3 of them right now in this particular chart. It's always the most explosive. So is it, you know, triggered by something or whatever? I don't know. Okay, possibly, I do not know. But if it comes up and it gets to the 131, everyone will say I'm lucky because of some ruling or whatever, I don't know, but it's just in the charts. Okay, so what I'm looking at, so basically I think we've got a rinse repeat, 1 flat 2 3 zigzag 4. This is the bottom of the 4, a zigzag correction. We've got the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 in the zigzag, and right now 1 2 3 4 5. So if we see this resistance broken and this red trend line tapped, we've got 5 waves. This is your micro impulsive wave 1 of potential ending fifth wave here. There's your 1 2 3 4 5, a huge final fifth wave before a massive macro correction. So this is something I've been looking at as a potential scenario for a very long time. This is why I'm still long, I'm still adding to my positions, and I think any dips are for buying, not for crying on XRP. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. But by tomorrow, if we see a break of this level of resistance and we put in 5 waves here, this is a lovely little macro, little micro 5-wave move for XRP as anticipated. I would most definitely be looking to take a bit of profit on that red line as well, which is around about 06059 because of the technical target of the falling wedge. Hope you understand the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.